Hello students, welcome back in my next video lecture. In this video lecture, I will teach you how to convert a decimal number into a fraction and a fraction into a decimal number. Conversion of a decimal number to a fraction. There are following steps to be followed. Step first, count the number of decimal places in the decimal number. Step 2. Ignore the decimal point and write all the digits of the decimal number as the numerator of the fraction. Step 3. Write the denominator equivalent to 10 to the power n, where n is the number of decimal places in the decimal number. Step 4. The fraction thus obtained may now be reduced to its simplest form. Convert 2.25 into a fraction in its simplest form. We follow the following steps. First step, firstly we count the number of decimal places. Since the number of decimal places is equal to 2, therefore it will be n is equal to 2. Step second, after ignoring the decimal point, we write all the digits of the decimal number as the numerator. Therefore, numerator is equal to 225. Now, step third, denominator is equal to 10 raised to the power 2, where 2 is the number of decimal places. It will be equal to 100. Step 4, obtained fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator. Here numerator is 225 and denominator is 100. Hence the fraction will be 225 upon 100. Now we convert it in its simplest form. 225 and 100 both are multiple of 25. Therefore, it will be equal to 25 times 9 is 225 and 4 times 25 is equal to 100. So 25 is cancelled by 25. It will be equal to 9 upon 4. Thus, the decimal 2.25 will be equal to in fraction form 9 upon 4. Let's solve some examples. Example first, convert 0.06 into a fraction in its simplest form. The first step, we count the number of decimal places. The number of decimal places n is equal to 2. Second step, we ignore the decimal point and write all the digits of decimal number as numerator. Therefore, numerator is equal to 06. Now, step third, denominator is equal to 10 raised to the power n, where n is the number of decimal places. Hence, number of decimal places is 2. Therefore, it will be equal to 10 raised to the power 2 and it will be equal to 100. Thus, the obtained fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator. So, numerator is equal to 06 upon denominator is 100. Hence, it will be equal to 06 upon 100. Now, write it in simplest form. So, 3 upon 50 will be simplest form of the obtained fraction. Next question, express 45 mm in centimeter. Now, solution. As we know that 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore, 1 mm will be equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Now, our question is given 45 mm. Hence, 45 mm is equal to 45 upon 10 centimeter. It will be equal to 4.5 centimeter. Hence 45 mm is equal to 4.5 centimeter. It will be your answer. Question: express 4.5 centimeter in meter. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Therefore, 1 centimeter will be equal to 1 upon 100 meter. In our question, it is given that 4.5 centimeter, hence 4.5 centimeter is equal to 4.5 upon 100 meter. Now, decimal point will shift 2 places to the left. It will be equal to 0.045 meter. Answer. Next question: express 0.045 meter in kilometer. You know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore, 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Thus, 0.045 meter is equal to 0.045 is divided by 1000 kilometer. Now, in zeros, number of zeros in denominator term is 3, hence the decimal point will shift 3 places to left and it will be equal to 0.00045 kilometer. Thus, 0.045 meter is equal to 0.00045 kilometer. Conversion of a decimal fraction to a decimal number. First, represent the denominator in exponential form as 10 raised to the power n, and step 2, move the decimal point in the numerator by n places towards the left. Convert 32 upon 10,000 into a decimal number. Then first step first, denominator is equal to 10,000. It may be written as in exponential form 10 raised to the power 4. Why? Because the number of zeros is 4. Thus, the n is equal to 4. Now, step 2, moving the decimal point 4 places towards the left. Because the decimal place n is equal to 4, we get the decimal number 0.0032. Now next, if common fraction is given and we have to convert it into a decimal number. Therefore, our heading is conversion of a common fraction to a decimal number. So we follow first step, divide the numerator by the denominator, placing a decimal point in the quotient when the first digit to the right of the decimal point is down in the form dividend. Now, example, convert 25.8 into decimal number. 25 is divided by 8. By simple division methods, we will use 8 3s are 24. The right 24 below 25, we get 1. Now place the decimal point in quotient term and we bring 0. It will equal to 10. 8 ones are 8. Therefore 10 and write 8 in downside. Subtract, we get 2 and bring 1 0 down. 20, 8 2s are 16. Now 4 and bring 0 ones 40. 8 5s are 40. Hence 25 upon 8 will be equal to 3.125.